Hey guys! So today's video is my back to school, back to college haul for clothing. I'm not doing any of the things I bought for my house because that's just gonna be way too long, too much, and yeah. And I did not plan to do this haul, and I saw all the clothing that I'd gathered and I was like, back to school haul? Easy. So the thing is, most of the clothing I have in this haul is from Kohl's because I interned there for management this summer. So I would just be like, oh, this thing's only $10. Oh, this thing's only $5. Like, I'll just get it. And then I had, hold up, this entire bag filled with a lot of things. And yeah, so let's just get into it. And a lot of things are not also in here because I wore them, like I bought these Vans shoes I need for work and I'll be using it throughout the school year. But anyways, let's start with this Ross. I just went to like the other day and I got this really cute, it's a romper but it's longer. It's this and it's long but it's not like till the bottom of my feet, you know, it's like a capri type-ish thing. And I actually bought this for our baby shower. I'm going to California next weekend. And that's for that. I also bought these shoes. So cute. Look at them. So adorable. I love it. They're like, you can wear them down or up with things. And yeah, I really like those. And I'm really excited to wear those. I did not plan on buying them, so I'm like, that's a really good idea. I really like it. And let's begin with the top bag. It's an Aeropostale, but things are from different places in here. This is from the very beginning of summer. I've just been gathering things because we renovated our house. It's like in every video, and I threw out a lot of my clothes. And so this is kind of like new things. I just want to get a new wardrobe type of thing with no old clothes, and just this dress. Very oversized, but I think it's cute. I could really make it look cute with different things. There's that. This fanny pack, very easy to just like put things in, go to the lake. This is more of a summer thing, but I can wear it to a concert or anything. And I totally forgot I had this dress. A lot of things that I'm gonna pull out, I'm gonna forget that I even bought them. That's a bad thing. But yeah, this is so cute. This is from Aeropostale. Like, how adorable. Like, for the fall time, I could literally put on some tights, blacklit tights, and those shoes that I just showed you. Fall outfit. Yes, yes, girl. Yeah. This is only $10, by the way. Only $10. Good deal. And that was the things I bought that same day. Alright. Next thing we got going on. Let's just, the first bag. Kohl's. I think this is the most recent. Yeah. So like this deal, I had $30 in Kohl's cash because my mom bought new comforters. So I was like, I'm gonna go use that. And you got $10 off $50 for back to school coupon. So I spent $55 with tax, got $10 off, $45, used my $30 Kohl's cash, $15, and then my associate discount, and voila, my total was like $12 for things I'm about to show you. And this is romper. This is an actual romper. It needs to be fixed, but it's like this and this. I actually bought this to wear for my friend's sister's wedding, which is tomorrow, so I needed to take this out. It's a little too loose and revealing right here, so I'm gonna pin it together with a safety pin. And yeah, so excited to wear that. Yeah. Okay, next thing. This was clearance, like $2. Yep. It's a plain, very soft t-shirt. There's that. Next thing, ooh, this is definitely fall. Very soft gray, oversized once again. I love oversized. I love oversized because I sweat very easily and it's very uncomfortable once you sweat in clothing, and So there's this one. Next we have is this. Is it the same thing, but no, it's slightly different. Oversized once again, very cute. And then lasting in here is this t-shirt. This is like $4 or $6. I was like, yep, easy, could wear this to the gym. And all those 5 items were only like $12 to me. Hell yeah. Next bag, Burlington. I got this with the Vans because I wanted that beach bag that I showed you, because you got it. It was a deal going on at DSW. Yeah, look at these little cat socks. How cute. And this cactus socks. Yay. Shein, I've been shopping there quite a bit. There's this dress. Yeah, it's very cute. It's long, goes to your knees a little bit below. There's pearls. I think this was like $10, so I was like, yep. It's plain. Yeah, I think it's really cute when you wear it. High neck. Yeah, very cute. And I bought this dress. I might actually wear this to my birthday. $11. It just fit me so well. It's like this. Yeah, it looks so good when you're wearing it for like $12. Heck yeah. I think I might wear it for my birthday. My birthday's in October, so yeah. It's cool. One more bag down. Next bag. Now this is my big bag. Oh yeah. This next bag. Kohl's. Got this because I had $10 Kohl's cash, so I paid like $2 for it. Just a normal jacket that you just throw over. It's like essential, I'd say. It matches with everything. It's a gray color. And yeah, it sounds like I'm trying to sell clothing here, but very simple, lightweight jacket to throw on. This cactus shirt because why not? Why not? Cute. This is so gorgeous. This is $9.60, and mind you, I did have my associate discount, so it was less than $9.60 on all of these things that I'm saying. This dress, like, so pretty when you wear it. Yeah, really like this. Can't wait to wear it. Super excited. Got this Under Armour. It's a men's butt. It was like $10. Like, Under Armour, easy. Easy. This is like $2 at Walmart, but it was like fall, so I was like, I can do something with it. Pumpkin colored. And this is another one. I think I could crop this and make it into like a gym thing, because it's too long. Leggings. Essential. I wear leggings for like everything. Yeah, $2 exactly. Very easy to just throw on. And it's cute. I bought the same tank twice, but my things just fell over. And then it's dress for $6. Let's take this out so I can wear it while it's hot. Our weather's been so weird in Washington. Like, it has been like, we haven't even gotten to summer. Like, we get like 4 or 5 days maybe of like 80-90 degree weather, and that was it. Like, it's never been like this. It's so weird. It usually gets hot. I got this from Daiso. I didn't even try it on, but it's supposed to be a sports bra. I might just wear it as like a lounge bra. It was $2. I'm not mad. This is a crop top. Oh, I thought it looked so cute. Just like black leggings, the lounge life. To the gym or at home. So cute. I love it. Okay. And that's all for that bag. I bought a lot of random things, but yeah, it's hard to give up the deal. So hard. That was my problem. Like, you just keep spending money there. I'm like, that's cute, that's cute. Alright, this is the big bag that I spent during Family Friends weekend, and I got my first pair of Levi jeans. Yay! So, let's start. These are just so leggings I got. Cute. I mean, leggings, jeans. Did I say Levi? I don't know. I meant jeans. And then this super soft shirt. Ooh. Yeah. Fall? Yes. I love fall. These are my Levi's. So cute. I love it. So nice. They're the boyfriend style. Ew. Next, I just got this because why not? To throw over things. Like, I could wear the tank under this. This is cute. Like, I forgot I got this. It was $8. Cardigan. Just a throw over cardigan. Easy money. I thought I got that same shirt. Okay, the gray shirt I got earlier, I actually got like 3 weeks ago in green. I'm glad because I was about to pick this color again and I forgot I bought it. So this is really nice because they're really soft, and I'm glad I still bought it because now I just have it in 2 colors, which I'm not mad about because they're amazing. Just a plain t-shirt, kind of croppy, loose, gym. Yes, $6. Heck yeah. T-shirt for $2.40 easy. Like, look at this. I only shopped at Kohl's like twice in my life before this, by the way, so, and I'll probably never shop there again. It was just because I worked there. Like, honestly, like, TBH. Unless I get a reason to. And then just this. You button up. It's cute. There's little hearts on it. I like the sleeve style. Tucked into jeans. This would look really nice. Yeah. And then the last item. Oh my god. I forgot I got these. These are like one of the second most expensive things I got. Well, they were like $20. Okay, my cart is full and I'm too lazy to switch right now, and I'm almost done, so I'm just gonna finish up right now on my phone. And yeah, I'll show you these pants. Literally so cute. I always wanted these type, and getting interrupted. Okay, yeah. And there's also quite a few things that I didn't put in this haul because I've already like worn them a few times or something like that. And yeah, I think that's it. Well, that one is so cute. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for this haul. We're back to school. Thank you guys. Oh, forgot. So when I went to visit the store that I bought some of these things from to meet my coach, she showed me, she was like, come here, I have to show you this bra. And she was like, feel it. And it is the softest thing ever. And I was like, and I bought it. Yeah, it is so soft. Like, yep, I can't get over it. So soft. Like, to just wear at home, yeah, why not? Okay, so thank you. Ow. I will be doing video, like a vlogish style, probably gonna be moving into my new house, which I move in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Super excited for that. I keep saying that. Guess I'm just excited. I might do a vlog on my things that I bought for, a haul for my house, but like 80% of stuff from last year I'm taking. I didn't unpack this summer, and 20% like I bought new things because it's a house instead of a dorm. And yeah, but I don't know, I feel like I'm not going to. I'm just going to do a vlog of me basically loading everything into the car, us moving in, and then probably a house tour because I do have a roommate. She'll be moving in 2 weeks after me, so we'll see. I don't think I'm going to do a house because there's just too much stuff to I don't want to bother with it. But yeah, 3 more weeks until I move in, 2.5-ish weeks till I move in, and then still a month till school starts. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment stuff below, subscribe. Bye guys.